Would I fail my driver's test if I take one hand off of the steering wheel while driving? All right. So would the DMV will fail me because here's what happened. Right, we were doing a lesson yesterday with a student that gonna go for a road test, and she kept itching her eyes. Okay, right. She kept itching her eyes. Right. Now she come and ask me, would that be an issue while doing a road test and keep itching the eye like this with the examiner fella? He said, the proper answer is that if your eyes is itching you due to certain thing that you have, let's say that if you got itchy eyes, whatever the case may be, they're not gonna fail you for that because you're itching your eye. But here's the catch. You cannot be driving the car while you're doing your road test and keep taking your hands off the steering wheel to itch your eye. Then it's a problem. You see? So, because he's that for the DMV examiner, if you do it once, understood. If you wanted to do it, if you have to wait. We have to wait at least when you get to a situation. Let's say at a traffic light, at a position where the car's not going, then you itch your eyes. But there's nothing we can do about that. What I'm saying this is nature. This is your body needs some attention in your eye. You do what you have to do. You know what I mean? There is no really. See, that's the one thing here. Should have not make the turn without make sure that the pedestrian clean. I held back this traffic. All right, we're making the right turn. You had this traffic light. There is no really thing on. They will fail you the test if you. All right, shoulder right. They will fail you. They will fail you the test if you're driving with one hand while we're doing your road test. They will fail you the test. But if anything were to happen, you wanna scratch your eye, or you wanna. Whatever the case may be, right? As long as you're not driving, literally driving with one hand, that's understood. You know, if you have to, if your eyes is itching you, they rather itch your eyes and then cannot see get into an accident. You see what I'm saying? So people make it seem like it's exaggerated. If you just take your hands off the steering wheel for whatever the case may be, you'll fail the test. No, it's not like that. It's like driving with one hand. You know, some people, they're just chilling. You say, I'm putting my hands over here now. Driving with one hand, it cannot be. You know what I'm saying? Or you just put one hand in your chest anywhere else while the car is in course, going and everything. You cannot do that. But if while you're driving, your ears is itching you or something is bothering you, as long as you do a quick itch and come right back to the steering wheel, continue to drive, you're good to go. All right? So because the girl was making a big fuss about it yesterday, so my eyes is messing with me. What should I do? Should I take your road test? Should I take my road test or whatnot? I said, ma'am, listen. If your eyes is itching you, you have to itch your eyes. Nobody can tell you not to itch your eyes. You know what I'm saying? So if you go excessively with it and the DMV examiner felt like you drive more with one hand than you were driving with both hands, then they will make the determination from there. I'm not at the position to tell you not to take your road test because I'm not DMV. You know, I may say this, I may say that, and there rules are changing every single time anyway. So they don't tell nobody. You just go, this is what it is today. Okay, so that's exactly what it is. As long as you keep both hands on the steering wheel while you're driving. You see right now, I'm at a traffic light. I'm at a traffic light, you see? I wanna scratch my eye, you see? Okay, if I'm taking the road test and I both put my hands back, my right shoulder right, put my hands back off the steering wheel, they cannot fail me for that. But if I'm scratching my eyes, yeah, I just scratch my eyes. Now the car is in motion, right? And I'm doing this while I'm driving, see, with one hand, then the examiner might feel not safe. You know, you got one eye in your thing, and you got one hand in your eyes while the car's in motion. You're driving with one hand, you're taking a road test, they feel not safe. You see what I'm saying? You wouldn't want that neither. So I'm saying you will not want that neither. You know what I'm saying? So those are the reason, those are the situation when you're excessively driving with one hand while you're taking your road test, the examiner feel not good about them, and they can, you know what? When you feel better or whatnot, then you can just do your road test over again because it is what it is. You know, overall, strongly suggest not to drive with one hand. It will not be good for you as you're taking your road test. All right, strongly suggest not to drive with one hand. It will not be good for you as you're taking your road test. Okay, so if I answered this good enough, let me know in the comment below. If you have any question, we're going to be parallel parking here, picking up a student. If I answer you good enough, put in the comment below. If you have any question or concern, put it also in the comment below so I can let you guys know I can, so guys in the part of the parking here, you have to pay attention, sorry. Put one hand behind, one full turn here, mirror left, shoulder left, mirror right. Shoulder right, we're going back over here. Very good then. Nice and smooth. All right, folks, let me know in the comment below if you're new here. I'm Ben with Pierre Driving School. We're all about driving in this channel, so you may consider to subscribe. So each time we drop a video, it will be the first one to be notified. And this channel, we do everything driving, okay? So I wanted to share that with you for you guys to hear your thought about both ends on this steering wheel. Those are the DMV policy. All we can do is buy their policy. We cannot make them, no, we cannot change them, right? So you cannot be driving with one hand as you're taking your road test. However, if need be, you have to do something, scratch your eye, or even whatever it may be. I think it's a quick swipe, it's a quick thing, and continue to drive, that's fine. You cannot be, like I was saying, you know, I'm scratching my eyes with one and the car is in motion, the examiner will not feel safe, you know. Can you imagine one as, or wherever you're scratching, you know, while you're still one hand, they'll consider driving with one hand, you will have to do the road test over again. All right, folks, anything I missed, anything you want me to cover, put in the comment below. That's where we have most of our videos topic coming from. Okay, so like, share, and subscribe. Anybody that you can help benefit from getting the license in the US, that's the biggest gift you can give them, because one way or another, the license can enhance someone else's life. Maybe they may not have to do a living with it, but it can help them to get better with whatever they're doing, enhance their life. Until then, keep practicing. It's been with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye.